today's video, we're going to build a workbench for the shop. Got all of our building supplies for the workbench. Let's head back to the shop and get at it. It's all loaded up, ready to go.
Head back to the house.
Back to the shop. Before we get started on our build, we need to open this table saw so we can actually use it. So we're going to unbox it. Look at that. Yep. Pretty nice for a Harbor Freight special. Harbor Freight special. Finally got it all put together. The directions aren't the greatest, but we got it. We're getting ready to level it out outside and start cutting our boards. All right, we finished up measuring and cutting all the. Dang it!
Outtake.
Yeah. All right, we finished up measuring and cutting all the boards for the workbench. We ran out of some screws, so we're going to actually head to the hardware store to get some more. And we're starving. We haven't eaten all day, so we're going to go get some good food, maybe some Chick-fil-A. Possibly. All right, we picked up all of our supplies, and now let's head back to the shop and finish this thing. We're good?
Yeah.
Not that close. I'm not that cute. All right, we're back from the hardware store. We got everything we need. We have to make a couple of minor cuts. Then we want to finish this thing up, put together a cabinet that we bought, so we can store our cleaning supplies and anything else we want to store in there. So let's get at it. done, it's perfectly level. Now we move on to the next one. We got everything laid out. All we have to do is just screw it together and we'll be good to go. to work on a lot of projects with this workbench. It's going to be a lot of fun. Tons of stuff that we're going to be bringing to the channel. So stay tuned, you don't want to miss it. We're almost out of screws again. All right, we're finished. It looks awesome. So we're gonna clean up and then we'll show you the finished product. We're finally finished. We made it a lot harder than it should have been, but in the end, we have an awesome workbench. I know previously we said we're gonna clean up, but we decided to go ahead and put together our cabinet as well. And this thing is pretty nice. This is a cheap cabinet, so I don't expect too much from it, but it will help us hold all of our supplies. Stay tuned, and if you haven't done so already, subscribe, hit that like button, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you next time.